What up, everybody? Today I'm unboxing a Bluetooth speaker. It's an ANANAS Altoparlante Bluetooth speaker. I think it's an Italian brand. So in the box, we get the charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C charging cable. The speaker comes in this plastic sleeve, and I won't lie, it's very nice in the hands. It's got a nice quality, density to it. It has USB-A input and USB-C for charging.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It also has lights that light up when it turns on.
The Bluetooth device paired.
Short pressing the plus button will skip to the next song, and short pressing the minus button will go to the previous song. And long pressing either of the buttons will increase or decrease the volume. Long pressing the pause button switches between the different modes, which is Bluetooth, SD, USB, and FM radio. And it's also the same button that you use if you want to turn the lights on or shuffle through the different light features. And this is what it sounds like on maximum volume. For $2.99 at value code the Glen, it's a good purchase.